There you have, ladies and gentlemen, our very beautiful and charming, the beauty with a purpose and of course with the values. As Sister Jerfel mentioned, it's the values. It's really the core for a beauty contestant, as I see. Everyone, Miss Philippines, Mrs. Philippines Grand Global Ambassador. Sir, thank you so much.
Now she will get into a bigger events na happy at she will get to spend a lot more time with her family.
Yes, galing naman. Wala naman siguro anak na hindi mag-wish ng betterment sa family and of course to the mother. Kapalakpakan natin silang
Your age, even your background, do not give you limits to your success, to your dreams, to your ambitions. There are even advantages kasi when I reach this age and my status as a married woman, I can say I'm more matured. I'm like more of, I'm past the stage of needing external validation kasi you're kind of secure to yourself na, di ba? I'm financially stable, I have my partner with me who gives me everyday support and love. I think for all the women who want to join pageants or national pageants, they really have to practice self-care, self-love, and everything is possible. You don't have to limit yourselves. You don't have to hold on to your dreams. Just know po that you have to balance between dreams and responsibilities. Kailangan din po ng proper prioritization. Kasi kung gagawin ko to nung earlier, before the pandemic, di ba sabi ko po, ang dami kong ginagawa. Hindi ko po siya kaya before. I believe there is always a God's time also for everything. Pinag-pray ko rin po ito na God, please use me to send your message to the world. I just prayed that before this. Sabi ko, use my talent, use my intellect, use me. So I can be of change to the world as you want it to be. Help me and use me as a channel to send your message. Pero hindi ko alam, dumating to. So naisip ko na isang araw, ito na kaya yun? Ba't ko pa nadasal yun? So you just have to have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, trust in God. And kasi parang feeling ko, destiny din po yun. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na hindi napunta sa'yo, you're not worth it. But you can be queen in your own homes, in your own communities. Diba? You can have your advocacy. Hindi naman lahat pwede kasi ilan lang naman ang pinipili. Diba? So kailangan lang you are confident, you are self-assured, you love yourself, and you make an impact and a good difference to the people around you.
Thank you.
I have a late sister named Peachy. She's in heaven now. She'll ask me, give me your part of your allowance. So why? We always contribute. Nagsasama po kami ng some savings. Bata pa po ako naman. Then bibili kami ng mga toys na mura lang at the time. Dadalhin namin sa hospital para sa mga bata na naroon. So mamimigay kami ng mga laruan, ng mga simpleng food na kaya namin. Hanggang mangunguha kami ng mga used clothes, used toys. Lalabas kami outside Puerto Princesa, magdadrive siya. I-distribute namin sa mga bahay-bahay na nasa tabi na alam namin mga underprivileged families. And then, the time came when I was already working after college. Diretso po to every year. I made it like a legacy, especially when she left, she passed away, that I continue her legacy. I've apportioned part of my business income, parang feeling ko it's my lucky charm also in a way of giving back to the community and to God also. So I targeted like minimum of two charity events every year. Naku, actually hindi ko po ito pinikwento kasi alam nila sister din to na nagme-medical mission kami sa orphanage. Minimum of 300 families, di ba sister? Ang dami, as in, hanggang labas ng kalsada. Hindi po ako nagpapapublish. Kung makikita nyo noon, Friendster pa, Facebook. Ngayon, dire-diretso medyo po ang gift giving ko, itong nakaraan lang, siguro ang dami namin nabigat. Pero wala kayong makikitang post ko. And pinagbabawal ko din yung posting sa mga friends ko, which is hindi rin talaga sila nag-post kasi I have this belief na pag pinost ko, hindi ko na makukuha yung reward ni God. Kasi di ba pag nalaman na daw, nakuha mo na yung reward mo. So, and then I studied, so nag-masteral ako, nag-advanced program ako. I also joined Singles for Christ, nag-office din ako. I've learned so many things. It grew my wisdom, it made me more mature, that gave me confidence and the capability. So I've been giving also inspirational and motivational talks to various communities and organizations. And last time nga po sa alma mater ko, ako rin po yung nagbigay ng speech sa mga graduating, 1,500 graduating students. So I made it a point na it's my way of sharing back the blessings that God has given me na I don't know na feeling ko, I believe kasi ako madali akong mas matuwa sa maliit na bagay. So how much more sa big ones, I really appreciate them. So that's become my advocacy, women and youth empowerment and humanitarian services. So you have to evening gown, long gown, iba pa yan, no? Evening wear, long gown, casual attire, dirty sports attire. Hindi ko ako mag-swimsuit kasi may resorts wear. We're allowed to wear cape and sexy inside. And it's indoor, preliminary siya. And there's the question and answer portion, talent portion also. What else? During the activities, like we're going around Kota, Sinagalu, and we'll be visiting po, we'll be going to charity events also. We'll be visiting a home of nuns. There also, mga sisters natin. What else? And there'll be competition for each category, like for gifter and nieces then, merong team, merong for kids. But si Mami Jandy, ako lang yung dala. Kasi at the same time, I'll be also competing with all the candidates from all the categories. There will be an ultimate winner also for that pageant. So there will be 2 crowns na paglalabanan. The Mrs. Grand Global crown and the ultimate winner for the general, for the whole pageant itself. So yun po, and I'm most excited about all the categories where I will have to walk into my pasarela. Kasi I'm excited sa damit na susuotin ko, nagawa ni Mami Jandy. Sobrang gaganda. I-chismis ko lang yung aking gown. Nasa 10,000, ilan ba Mami? 10,000 stones. Na inisa-isang ilagay para sa gown na yun. Ayaw niya ipakita. Pinicture na lang yung portion. Ayaw niya ipakita pa sa akin yung whole gown dahil sobrang gusto niya maging suspense. So, yun po. Thank you so much.
Why should we also be focused sa journey mo, Ms. Janine, as a Grand Global Ambassador? So why Pageant Fund should also give attention to Grand Global Ambassador Pageant International?
Because this pageant is not just another pageant. This is socially and globally relevant. It gives more relevance to pageants, not only on the category of Miss or Mrs., but in all categories. So it encompasses all ages, status, and backgrounds with different cultures and different nationalities that they want to promote with international understanding, with unity, despite the diversity and differences. They're promoting inclusivity, they're promoting harmony among the joining nations for this pageant. And it's really globally relevant because they are also, their visions and missions are aligned with causes that help the underprivileged and unfortunate communities.
Ang puso, umalaman.
It's like, one for a lifetime. The first press conference before my send-off, before we go to fly to Malaysia. And from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you all, your presence, your support. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. First to my family, to my husband Jean, to my son Gerard, and my Alala is there, was always there with me, Jana and Jovan. Of course, my mommy Jandy, the national director of Grand Global and Bato International. We almost talk every night regarding the preparation of the stuff, and we're actually enjoying what we're doing, no? And we're really so excited for the pageant. Maraming salamat po Jandy. Yes. At syempre, ang aking pasarala trainer and Q&A trainer din. JL Dahan, maraming salamat. Wala lang sa, yung pagkakasit. May makeup artist, of course, Eric Del Rosario. Maraming salamat for making me feel beautiful inside and out. With Dave, the one who made my hair, with Mark there, kasama. Of course, mga boss ko rin po sa aking brand modeling. From Casa de Moda, Sir James Paul. Sir James, yan po si Sir James Paul. Marami rin po siyang events, and si Sir Allen. Siyempre, the Casa de Moda. And may lagi kong favorite na photographer, Sir Mark Raymond Martinez. Maraming salamat. Kasama ko rin sila sa Malaysia. And of course, Sir Jerome, the Beauty Wise. Maraming salamat. Siyempre, si Ari ko, Celio, wala dito, taga-Palawan din po siya. Siya po yung may-ari ng Health and Beauty Republic. So, there are Jerome, si John, and si Roy. Nakakita niyo po yung picture, ako po yung endorser ng HDR at mga vitamins nila. Ito yung event, they are supporting us. And of course, I'd like to thank my sister friends. Sobrang tagal ng friendship natin. Lagi nila akong sinusupport. Kami lang yan going around their destinations or meron kami mga events and activities among the candidates lang. So, June 13 and 14, I'm inviting you all. So, please come and watch us through Facebook pages. I will post it in my Facebook account and probably share with you all also. So please support and pray for the Philippines. I will do my best to make our country proud, and hopefully I'll bring back the crown